Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix keyboard disappeared on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is clear cache keyboard. Click on settings app and click on app management. Click on app list and search keyboard from here. Search keyboard and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache keyboard, you will see your problem is solved. So you will see your problem is solved. Please subscribe for more latest video. Thanks for watching.